Hey there, what's up? In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can pin a participant in Google Meet so you can focus on their video or their screen. So what you will have to do is click new meeting, or if you already have your uh meeting link, then just go ahead and click join now. And after you and now that you're inside your meeting, what you will have to do is basically just for example, you want to pin this person. What you will have to do is click the three dots icon, which is right here, and then you will just have to click pin to the screen, which is you could either set it to yourself only or to it for everyone, so it really depends on you. And then yeah, you'll just have to again select pin, and the pinned participant will always stay visible on your screen. And by the way, you could also pin multiple participants depending on your screen size. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.